Have you seen this insane claim? That you can drop a cheap little tablet into your fuel tank, spend about $1, and suddenly get huge MPG gains, a smoother engine, maybe even a longer-lasting car. Sounds genius, right? It also sounds like the kind of trick that spreads like wildfire, because people want it to be true. And that is exactly the problem, because when a fuel hack goes viral this fast, one of two things is usually happening. Either it is a breakthrough nobody can ignore, or it is a beautifully packaged myth that gets millions of clicks because it hits every driver's weak spot. High fuel prices, frustration at the pump, and the dream of an easy shortcut. So in this video, we are exposing the truth behind the viral $1 fuel hack. What these tablets or miracle additives are actually supposed to do, why so many drivers fall for them, whether they can really boost MPG, and what actually improves fuel economy if you do not want to waste money chasing fairy dust in your gas tank. Because if this trick is real, you deserve to know. And if it is hype, you deserve to stop getting played. Let us be honest. This kind of hack is almost perfectly engineered for YouTube. It has all the ingredients. A tiny cost, a huge promise, a hidden secret, a villain, and a result every driver wants. Spend almost nothing. Beat the system. Use less fuel, drive farther, save money. That is catnip for the internet. And once a claim like that starts spreading, people stop asking the one question that actually matters. What is this stuff doing inside the fuel system? Not what the label says. Not what the comments say. Not what the thumbnail screams. What is it actually doing? Because your fuel system is not some magical wishing well where you toss in a mystery tablet and your car rewards you with free mileage. Modern engines are already designed around incredibly precise fuel delivery. You have injectors, sensors, fuel trims, combustion control, knock management, emission systems, and engine calibration all working together in the background. That means if somebody claims a random low-cost hack creates massive MPG gains across the board, your skepticism meter should be screaming. Not because every additive is automatically fake, but because huge gains from a tiny mystery shortcut is exactly the kind of promise that gets distorted, exaggerated, and recycled until people confuse viral content with mechanical truth. So let us break it down properly. Most versions of this hack come wrapped in the same language. They say the tablet or additive will clean the fuel system, improve combustion, help the engine burn fuel more completely, restore lost power, improve throttle response, reduce carbon buildup, and most importantly, boost MPG. Now here's the clever part. Some of those claims are just plausible enough to sound legitimate. Because yes, in theory, if an engine is dirty, poorly maintained, or suffering from deposits, cleaning certain components can sometimes restore performance that was already lost. That is the key word. Restore. Not magically transform. There is a massive difference between this may help a neglected engine recover some lost efficiency and drop this $1 secret into your tank and unlock huge MPG gains. Those are not the same sentence. One is grounded. The other is bait wearing a lab coat. And honestly, I get why people believe it. Because most drivers have felt this before. The car seems a little sluggish. Fuel economy feels worse than it used to. Gas prices are painful. Maintenance sounds expensive. And then along comes a miracle shortcut that promises a cheap fix. That is seductive. It gives you the emotional high of beating the system without the inconvenience of doing real diagnostic work. No need to check tire pressure. No need to inspect spark plugs. No need to clean a filthy air filter. No need to deal with dragging brakes, bad driving habits, short trips, poor maintenance, clogged injectors, weak ignition components, or lazy oxygen sensor behavior. Just toss a tablet in and wait for the magic. That is why these hacks explode. Not because the proof is amazing, but because the story is amazing. And on YouTube, the story often outruns reality by a mile. So what happens if you put one of these miracle fuel tablets or cheap additives into your tank? Best case scenario? Almost nothing dramatic. Maybe the product contains ingredients that slightly clean or condition parts of the fuel system over time. Maybe it has some detergent effect. Maybe on an older neglected engine it helps a little. But that still does not automatically translate into huge MPG gains. Why? Because fuel economy is the end result of a whole chain of factors. Engine condition, injector performance, spark quality, sensor accuracy, tire pressure, alignment, driving style, trip length, traffic, ambient temperature, fuel quality, vehicle load, transmission behavior. That is a lot of moving parts. So if someone wants you to believe one mystery tablet overrides all that and suddenly transforms your MPG, they are selling a shortcut to people who are tired of complexity. And again, that does not mean every additive is useless. It means the marketing jump from may help in some situations to huge MPG gains is where things usually go off the rails. Here is the real danger. It is not just wasting a buck. It is what happens after people buy into the story. Because once a driver believes in a miracle fix, they often stop paying attention to the boring things that actually matter. And the boring things are where the real savings live. A few examples. If your tires are underinflated, your MPG drops. If your alignment is off, your car wastes energy. If your air filter is clogged badly enough, performance can suffer. If your spark plugs are tired, combustion can get sloppy. If your driving is aggressive, your fuel economy gets hammered. If you idle too much, make constant short trips, haul junk in the trunk, or accelerate like every green light is a drag strip, your MPG will suffer far more than any tablet is likely to save. That is why these hacks can be dangerous in a weird, indirect way. They give drivers a false sense that the answer is hidden in a product, when the real answer is usually hidden in maintenance and habits. That is less exciting, but it is a lot more real. If you like videos that cut through viral car myths and show you what actually matters, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. Because this channel is built for drivers who want to avoid expensive nonsense, protect their cars, and make smarter decisions without getting buried in jargon. Now let us be fair. Can fuel additives ever help in some situations? Yes, there are cases where a reputable fuel system cleaner may be useful, especially if an engine has deposits, rough idle, minor injector-related issues, or performance loss caused by neglected maintenance. But notice the wording. Useful is not the same as miraculous. And some situations is not the same as every car, every tank, every driver, huge MPG gains. That is the trick. The marketing takes a narrow possibility and stretches it into a universal promise. A real-world cleaner might help clean. A viral hack claims to unlock hidden efficiency, like your car was secretly waiting for a dollar store tablet to reach enlightenment. That is where critical thinking has to come in. Ask yourself, what exactly is in the product? What problem is it supposed to solve? Does my car actually have that problem? Is there any reason this would create a large measurable improvement? Or am I just falling for a tiny cost, huge reward fantasy? That last question matters a lot. Because the smaller the price, the easier it is for people to stop being skeptical. They think it is only $1? Why not? And that is how hype spreads. Not because the evidence is overwhelming, but because the emotional buy-in is cheap. So if you want real MPG gains, where should you look? Start with the stuff that actually moves the needle. First, tire pressure. This one is massively overlooked. If your tires are even modestly underinflated, efficiency suffers. Second, driving habits. Smooth acceleration, better anticipation, less hard braking, less unnecessary idling. This matters more than people want to admit. Third, basic maintenance. Spark plugs, engine air filter, fuel system condition, proper oil, no unresolved check engine issues, and sensors doing their job. Fourth, alignment and rolling resistance. A car fighting itself on the road will waste fuel all day long. Fifth, trip type. If you do lots of short cold trips, your MPG will naturally suffer compared to longer, fully warmed up driving. And sixth, weight and drag. Extra junk in the car, roof racks you do not need, or just carrying around unnecessary weight can chip away at mileage. None of that is glamorous. None of it sounds like a secret. None of it makes for a magic pill thumbnail. But if your goal is real-world fuel savings, this is where the truth lives. So what is the truth behind the secret $1 fuel hack that went viral for huge MPG gains? Here it is. The claim is powerful because it is emotionally perfect. Cheap, easy, hidden, rebellious, hope-filled. But the more dramatic the promise gets, the more suspicious you should become. Could some fuel products help in certain cases? Sure. Could a neglected car regain a little lost efficiency after proper cleaning or maintenance? Absolutely. But huge MPG gains from a mystery tablet dropped in the tank like some automotive cheat code? That is where the story usually outruns the science. And once that happens, you are no longer looking at a repair tip. You are looking at a viral fantasy with just enough technical language to fool people. So remember this. If a fuel hack is cheap, dramatic, viral, and sounds too good to be true, that is not proof it is a breakthrough. That is a reason to slow down and think, because your car does not reward wishful thinking. It rewards proper maintenance, good habits, and actual mechanical logic. And that is exactly why so many drivers get trapped by these viral shortcuts. They are not buying a product, they are buying hope. If this video saved you from wasting money on overhyped car myths, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me the wildest fuel-saving trick you have ever heard.